Hello, my name is Carlos. The gastronomy of this great town is very extensive, from its traditional food style to its typical food, such as tamales, cochinita, black filling, among other varieties of extremely delicious dishes. As we see here is one of the most famous places for typical food, which has been here for many years and continues to work to this day. I invite you to learn about the gastronomy of this beautiful town called Canton Gym.
Yeah.
Hello, how are they? I hope you're well today. I'm going to tell you a little about the culture history of my town. We are in the Miguel Borges Martin neighborhood, one of the most important fears in this beautiful town. Thanks. Please, right is in Berlin, which is set up every year a month before the start of the festivities. And you is only a part of all the magics. Berlin will be when it's ready. A ceiba tree was planted inside after having previously requesting permission with some ritus. For the Mayas, the ceiba was and continues to be a Divian tree, which is one they consider it the tree of life. Its branches for the sky, the throne represent the terrestrial plant and its roots with the and their rules to connecting the three cosmological levels. Protection is request due to powers to the prohibit in arena, but to the cowboys and the inhabitants who come to visit the bullfight and about all the two organizers of the bullfight. Though is the with a lot of weight of devotion warrants that the fairs of the year will be a great success for the habitats of the town and those who visit it.
Hello, this time we present place where people can you go shopping. Here in the back of the art shop where people are to buy different types of things such as clothes, shoes, household shop items and other things. People attend to different stores to be able to buy items. Every weekend people attend to be able to buy their items. There are different types of stores in the place, clothing stores, drinks, and different things. Last week they made a sale where a group of stores came together to be able to sell clothes for a price. This allowed on different stores in the around there.
We are at the colony sport unit where you can do sport, you get a long game and you get today basketball, fair game and the cruise today and the basketball field. And the other side we have a train where rice or white and in the center of the track there is the football field where I did the carrot or game and the workers. If my name is the angel, they will be I see you right there. Thanks.